Hello everyone. Here I'm in front of 6 South Strawberry Street to show you a 2-bed and 2-bath apartment. This is a beautiful building. Very tight security. This is the front desk, the front door. You need to have an access code to go inside. I will show you the inside, but I just want to show you now how close this building is to the Market Street. It just half a block. This small street, South Strawberry Street. It is located between 2nd and 3rd Street of Market. Here is your 2nd Street, and Penn's Landing is only 2 blocks away from here, and the Franklin ice cream is also a block away from here. There are a lot of bar and restaurants in the area. This is Old City, as you know. Only a couple of blocks from Independence Hall, Constitution Center, all historical places. It's rainy and foggy in Philadelphia, but this is beautiful part of Philadelphia. I'll show you what the unit looks like. This is for the outside. All right, going up to the 4th floor. And 4th. This beautiful building. This is the hallway. As you could see, looks beautiful. You have this window for natural air. The elevator is here. If you like to use the stairs, you have this very convenient stairs that takes you to downstairs. Feels comfortable here, and you have a thermostat to control the temperature of the hallway. Over there is the thermostat. Here is the unit. This unit comes with a storage space in a basement. You have storage in a basement, and this is beautiful, beautiful place. You have this beautiful hardwood floor, recently updated, just painted. Everything in this unit is electric, so there's carbon print here. This is your closet on my right hand side. Let's start from your utility room. You have your HVAC system here, your water boiler, and also you have your laundry machine. Nicely kept in this space. And just across the hallway from this room, you have this huge walk-in closet. Nice walk-in closet with a built-in shelf. This is your living space. As you could see, it's huge living space. Over there you have your kitchen. All the way over there you have your master bedroom. You have recessed lights throughout, ceiling fan. Let's walk into the kitchen and show you what we got. And you have plenty of storage cabinet and this nice island, upgraded countertop. You have your outlets here, cabinet space, your trash place, stainless steel appliances, built-in microwave, oven, deep sink, a garbage disposal. You also have a dishwasher, intercom to let your guest, to buzz your guest in. This is the view from this angle. You also have this nice skylight brings a lot of natural light to the house. All right, next in that corner you have guest bathroom. As I walk in, this is this beautiful tile floor. Nice vanity. You have your toilet here. And there is a door that leads you to the smaller bedroom, to the guest bedroom. I'm gonna close this now for a second to show you what the bathroom looks like. You have this beautiful tile wall, and you have bathtub shower combo. Nice size. Through this door you can get into the bedroom. And this bedroom, as you could see, has a wall here. The top part of the wall is glass, so you will get a lot of natural light to the bedroom. This is the bedroom. I was over there earlier from the bathroom, so this is the view from this angle. You have this nice carpet, big in size bedroom. Over there you have your closet with built-in shelf. As I showed you earlier, you could walk into this bathroom from here. The place has central heat and air. You can control it with this thermostat. This is your master bedroom. Beautiful space. This is your master bedroom. Beautiful space. So on the top we have a glass. High ceiling. On here on my right you have your closet with built-in shelf. Here on my left you have your full bath. It's a stall shower in here. Nice tile wall, beautiful tile floor, a window for a fresh air. You also have exhaust fan. A vanity, mirror. It's nice size bathroom. The last space is your outside living space. You have this sliding door and the screen behind it. You open, you out to this beautiful space. Nice floor. You have a railing, and it's just nice outside space to have. It's beautiful out here. You will just, for your summer cookout, you have your grill ready for you, or you could just sit and enjoy the breeze of fresh air. All city for you. Beautiful space.
We want to show you the private storage unit in the lower level of the condo building. This will be only for your use and no one else's, and the owner will have this cleaned out before you move in, so you can have full use and it will be completely empty. Now back to the unit.
This is what unit 15 of 6 house Strawberry looks like. I hope you like the video. Hope you like the units. Thank you for watching. Bye.